Hello everyone. Today's topic is methods in JPI, Java Persistent API. There are multiple interfaces in present data in a JPI repository. Extend data paging and sorting, and paging and sorting extend at the CRUD repository, and CRUD repository extend at the markup class. There are methods in present data, the multiple methods in present data. What is mean by CRUD operation? CRUD means that the comes from the word of computer processing, that the programming to that refer that the for function means that CRUD means that create, a read, R means that a reader, and U means that update, and D means that a delete. There are four posted in present data CRUD operation. There are CRUD operation are using that the storage data storage in device, that we power of devices, power on off to the hard disk or hard drive to the solid drive. In constraint of the RAM and internal caching, there are two example: volatile memory or non-volatile memory easily erase the lower power. CRUD operation, organization that keep the track of computer data, account, payment information, health of data, and other record to the required data storage, hardware and application that provide the persistent storage. This data type typically stored in a database, that can be in rows and columns in a relation database. Mm, in with We consist of data tables, row and columns connected at other classes, that can be primary key and origin key, are stored in a database. CRUD of database, in this application that manage the CRUD means that my Oracle database, MySQL, and Workbench. It can include as there are number of methods in present data CRUD operation. First one is create. The create function can be user that can be new record in present data database to be created at the SQL relational database. In create function, that inserting the new data in a database to store and use data. Create operation to create query, to create method creating that my control means that this is a main class to in IDotation are used in a REST controller to use that in created that method is create method. Next one is a read method. Read method of function can be simulated the search data function to the allow to the user searching that the to data in row or columns in SQL table in database to use that the read function. In 1996, Toyota Corolla either might provide an option that a filter search that the model and year. Example: update. Update means that the when you creating that the table in database to some changes in a before data to some changes in to use that query of update with update function means that for example, ID means 1, and names is ABC, and city is Pune. To update it changes that query is 2, query does not change 1, ID does not change into 1, city and name is changes. This is a update operation performed that. Next one is a delete. Delete means that delete all or delete one. In present data CRUD operation means that it is used at the path variable, means that a single ID to delete out of the operation used at the delete query, means that both is application delete or one or more record in database to deleting to use that delete function. Next, the main CRUD operation is an application that is that the CRUD widely used to many applications that can support that relational database. There are four basic CRUD functions are incremental versatile in a support variety of imported function across different business of model to the industry versatile. Next one. For example, CRUD in human resources, enterprise organization to the maintain the human resources department in a help that manage to the staff and keep the executive employees. The HR deployment manage the relational database application with the various that task different types of employee information stored in an employee table. Employee table can be changes in a employee table. Employee table include that the number of attributes are present in the contact number, home address, and work location. The another table is a data table is HR table, and another is a location table. HR table are present in a information social security number or employee ID. When the location table is present at the business ID, address, zip code, or manager. When a new employee in a hire to that the HR department class is record reflect that the changes in a business need to the send to the letter or one or more employees. The read function to might be correct mailing address for the employee. Thank you.